Welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we are doing a Chantecaille unboxing. So I'm going to be unboxing everything that I purchased at the sale that they had for Sylvie's birthday. So I placed 2 separate orders and I really had no intention of placing the second order. None whatsoever. So we're going to go through that and talk about what happened. Because all right, so the first order I placed was with my friend Lisa over at Neiman Marcus. I'll leave all of her information down below. She does work for Chantecaille and she works out of the Neiman Marcus location here in Chicago. And so I placed an order through her. I got my order and I was very happy with it. I was trying to keep it minimal. I'm trying to purchase less and use some of the makeup that I have. So that's what I did. And this is the order that I got. There is one thing missing out of it. I will show you and talk about it, but there is one thing missing. So I got my order. I received this cute little bag full of samples. I've taken them out and I've already used some of them. So, but I did get a lot of really good samples, and I did take some of them on vacation with me, which is why I don't have all of them, and I've already opened it and played in this box. So the items I purchased were the orange flower water, which I said I was going to purchase, and I did, and I'm really excited to get it. I probably should have taken this with me on vacation, put it in the fridge. It would be really refreshing. It comes like an aluminum bottle, and then here's how it sprays. And it smells so good. It's very floral, very refreshing. I'm really excited to use this. So I purchased this, which I knew I wanted. That was like one of the things right off the bat that I wanted. And I purchased a mermaid eye matte, and this is shade Olivia. So I'm really excited to play with this. I haven't even taken it out or swatched it yet, but it comes in this little pot. So there it is, swatched. So I'm really excited to use this. And then the last thing that I purchased was the SPF. It comes in a tube, and I took that on vacation with me. It is still in my skincare and makeup bag, but I did use that SPF while I was on vacation, and I really liked it. So that is all that I purchased, right? I mean, I kept it small. Stuff that I needed or really wanted. And then Jen from El Feisty had a live. It was her very first live, and it was with Scott from Chantecaille, who I've met. So I hopped on her live because I wanted to support her. I wanted to look at the products. I love to watch other people talk about products and what they recommend. And so I watched her live. And then they had a gift with purchase. That's my other downfall. Huge gift with purchase, right? So you had to spend $500 to get an amazing gift with purchase. I have no idea what the gift with purchase is, because I don't have it yet. It comes Friday and I will be out of town. So I don't actually have it yet, but I know it's going to be good. I know it will be great. So I went ahead and placed another order. And here it is. It is a big one. But it was 30% off, and then some of the stuff I bought a couple sets that were 40% off. So you didn't get an additional 30% off, but the sales prices totally justified it and made it worth everything. So here's how everything comes. It comes packaged like this. I do really like the Chantecaille packaging. They always do a phenomenal job. And of course, there's no prices on here, so I can't tell you how much everything was. I repurchased the Rose de May cleansing balm. If you guys watch my cleansing balm video, you know I love this cleansing balm. And I do know that this is $90. So this was 30% off. I cannot recommend this more. Love it. And literally everything is like wrapped individually. So this is something that I wanted to try. This is the Rose Makeup Remover. I have to use some sort of eye makeup remover, and I am almost out of the one that I'm using right now. So I thought I would go ahead and get this one. So it comes in a really nice glass jar. So we're gonna try this. Figured we'll give it a shot and see if I like it. So these two were bundled together, but I don't think they were purchased together. All right, so this is the Face and Cheek Illuminator. So this is a highlighter, and I got shade Sheen. I really did go back and forth on these shades. So this is the highlighter. It does have a, it has a little plastic covering, so I couldn't squeeze it out. Whoa, I put way too much. All right, so there it is. And then I'm sure you can blend it down. But I think that'll be really pretty. I have their blush that comes in these little tubes, and I absolutely love it. So I was really excited to try this. And then I picked up a mascara. This is the Faux Cils Longest Lash. This is an excellent, excellent mascara. And then I have two sets, and I think that each of these were 40% off. So this is the Radiance Brightening Essentials. Well, look how gorgeous this box is. I absolutely love it. So we got a Rose de May cream, a Rose de May face oil, and then a little travel size of the rose water, which is my favorite. So this set, I believe, was 40% off. So I'm really, really excited to try these. And I just can't get over that box. It's so pretty. And then the last set that I got is the Supercharged Botanical Duo. And then you just pull it out. And then we have a serum. This is the Vital Essence. So it's a full size of the Vital Essence. And it says the Vital Essence is a revolutionary anti-age face and eye serum infused with powerful moisturizing and antioxidant botanicals for plumper looking skin. It feels like a gel. I love the smell. It smells like Chantecaille. That's what it smells like. I just love it. So I'm gonna try this, but really the reason I got this set is for this. This little tube here cost $199, I believe. This is the Chantecaille Stress Repair Concentrate Plus. And I love the Stress Repair Concentrate, love it. And this is the reformulated version. It's the Stress Repair Concentrate Plus. And I believe it retails for $199 by itself. This set, I think was like, if I'm not mistaken, I think it was like $127. So to me, it was a no-brainer just to get this little pot of goodness at a reduced price. And then I can also try this serum or this essence. So I thought it was a really, really good deal. And anything else that wasn't the set, it was 30% off, and so that's a really, really good deal. So I'm not mad that I went back and bought more stuff, because it's all stuff that I really am excited to try. Plus, I know I'm going to be getting an amazing gift with purchase. I just knew it. So that is everything that I picked up from the Chantecaille sale. What did you guys pick up? Let me know down below. I want to hear. Have you tried any of these items that I have? Do you love them? I'm really, really excited to start playing with these, and I'm actually going on vacation again with my husband for just a few days, and I think I'm going to take this new essence with me. It seems like it would be really, really good for my my skin right now. So I'm going to take that, and I'm definitely going to take that face oil. We're going to give that a shot. So that is what I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe, and I will see you guys in my next video.